From deep-sea fishing to whale watching and sunset cruises, Viking Fleet in Montauk offers an unforgettable experience for everyone on the open water. Whale watching tours sail past the Montauk Lighthouse into the open ocean.
We've been leading whale watching excursions since the 1970s. We only used to sail one trip a week, but now that the whales are so plentiful out here in Montauk, we've been doing them for 4 days a week. Our success rate is amazing. We almost always have seen whales or dolphins or some sort of cetacean life out here. It's a narrated tour through CRESLI. They have a PhD naturalist, two of them. They explain their role with the whales and their research and stewardship. It's very well guided and narrated, so you learn a lot through the course of the trip as well.
Their family-friendly fishing adventures are perfect for beginners reeling in sea bass, fluke, and porgies, and deep water trips for the more seasoned fishermen who are looking for tuna, cod, and tilefish. For a more relaxing excursion, enjoy a sunset cocktail cruise to Fort Pond Bay aboard spacious vessels like the Viking Classic or Starship. You can also book private charters for groups, weddings, corporate outings, customizable in duration and style. Their high-speed Viking Superstar ferry departs Montauk throughout the summer to Block Island or New London, transporting visitors with their bikes and surfboards. Whether it's the thrill of landing the trophy fish, capturing a whale selfie, or just a peaceful evening on the water, Viking Fleet offers a memorable experience on the water in Montauk. For Discover Long Island, I'm Brianna McEnroe.